Hey everyone, so welcome back to the channel, and I hope you've enjoyed the content so far about us creating our Nook boxes. And I know a while back I also did a video on us creating the fume board. This is the method that we use to actually rob the bees with, and this allows us to basically get the bees chased down into the brood and allow us to take the super or the brood that has honey in without being harassed with the bees. So today I'm actually going to be showing you how we make the fume board liquid that we actually spray onto the fume board so that we can actually use this to deter the bees and to get them out of the supers. So be sure to stick around. As I mentioned earlier, if you haven't subscribed by now, please do that, we would really appreciate it. Alright, so the ingredients that we're going to be needing today for creating this fume board mixture, we're going to be using almond essence flavoring along with tea tree oil, and to add to that we're also going to have to use a base mixture which will be our isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to be adding that all together, and this is what will be creating our fume board mixture. Alright, so obviously we're going to need utensils to make this, because if you do this by freehand it's not going to be too bad, but you'd like to be quite precise because you want your mixture to work wonders. So obviously I've got measuring cups here, and this is the mixing jar. This is where everything is going to go in, and this is obviously just to make our measurements. So I mentioned ounces in the units that we'll be using the mixture, so I have converted that to millimeters just to make that easier. You can see on the screen here what the conversion is from the 4 ounce, the 2 ounce and the 1 ounce, and this will make your mixture much easier. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this out. So I've already taken the lid out of this tea tree oil. The lid is already taken out of there, so I'm going to just go ahead and pour some in here. I'm not worrying about measuring in this just yet because I'm going to be basically putting it back once I'm done with it. So there we go. I know there's 60 mils of almond essence, so I can pour almost both of these in here. That one's going to get used up. It smells so good. But the bees sure don't like the smell. Alright, let's just put that in there and see how much that'll go. Alright, so we need 120 mils of alcohol. That's 100 mils. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in so long. Get my measurement, there's 100. Just over 100, I'd say that's about 120. Give or take, it's good enough. Alright, so now that we've got our alcohol, now we're going to draw the almond essence, put that in there as well as the tea tree oil. So I'm going to go ahead and do the almond essence first, and that is 60 mils. So I know this syringe can go up to 10 mils, so I'm going to be doing this obviously 6 times. So let's get to it. Alright, so the almond essence is done. Now we're going to the tea tree oil. The tea tree oil is only 30 mils, so we only have to do this 3 times. Let's hope the syringe can last. 2. 3. Alright, so now we have our mixture for the fume board. Let's give it a nice little mix. Alright, so now we have our mixture for the fume board, which is obviously your isopropyl alcohol, your almond essence flavoring, and your tea tree oil. So you can smack this all together into a spray bottle, and then you can spray that onto the fume board, which I have shown you how to make on the previous video. So if you haven't done that, be sure to check that video out. It's very affordable, very easy to make, and pretty much anyone can do it to make a very user-friendly fume board. So I hope this is helpful. I hope this will work for you guys as it does work for us. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for checking it out, and as I mentioned before, please be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys again in the next video. So have a great day and keep safe.